Holy crap, the door can't even open all the way.
Because of cement raised up. It's got ice under it. It's really good thing.
That is so funny.
Yeah, ice is underneath it.
Look at that. It's just that much. Is there? Look at that. That's
really
like 2 inches. Oh my giddy aunt. Why can I see this, but my camera can't? Like, wow. Maybe if I aim it this way. Just, wow. I mean, look at that hill over by the grill. Oh, that rhymed. Well, now you can kind of see some snowflakes. Oh, they're coming up off of the roof here. Well, you can't really tell as much with the, try not to get you in the shot here, tree that's kind of covered in the other trees and that tree. And eeks! I'm getting snowed on and I'm underneath the awning. But all you Floridians, this is the blizzard they're talking about on the news.
That's what happened to me.
See if I can catch one. Oh, I caught a couple of them.
That's what happened to me.
What?
I will plan my budget and everything for the rest of this month and next month. My printer ran out of ink.
Oh.
So now I got to budget that in there. No
Look,
big...
guys, it's all over my arm. Oh, that is so cold.
I suppose you haven't seen much snow in your life. I've seen snow every single year in my life. I like it.
Trying to catch
You know
him.
how you say snow in...
Ooh, that was a big one.
You know how you say snow in German? Schnee.
Ah.